The Bafana coach Hugo Broos finds himself grappling with a crucial defensive decision ahead of the South Africa's decisive 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier against Rwanda at Mbombela Stadium on Tuesday. Broos will be forced to reshuffle his backline following the suspension of defensive stalwart Mbegezeli Mbogazi, who received a red card during Friday's disappointing goalless draw against Zimbabwe in Durban. The result left Bafana's qualification hopes hanging by a thread, and the coach with little margin for error in his team selection. With Mbogazi ruled out, Broos must now decide who will partner Nkosinathi Sibisi at the heart of the defense in the high-stakes encounter. His options include Malibongo Khoza of Mamelodi Sundowns, Khulumani Ndamane of TS Galaxy, and newly called up Thabo Moloisane from Stellenbosch FC. The Belgian tactician opted not to recall Siyabonga Ngezana from main side, citing his prior suspension for the Zimbabwe match and the logistical challenges of transcontinental travel. Despite the setback, Broos' defensive options still inspire confidence among former Bafana players. Midfielder Lebohang Manyama said in terms of cover, Coach Broos is spoiled for choice because he has a few solid players to choose from. Thabo Moloisane was involved in recent matches in Bloemfontein. He knows the system. Sibisi brings valuable experience, while Ndamane and Khoza are talented and hungry. Whoever steps in just needs to seize the moment. Former SuperSport United captain Ricardo Katza echoed Manyama's sentiments, describing Mbogazi's suspension as an opportunity for others to rise to the challenge. As it is unfortunate that Mbogazi is not available for such crucial game, but that's football. Opportunities open up when others step aside. Whoever the coach picks must be ready to do the job. This is a defining moment in our qualifying campaign. Bafana's draw against Zimbabwe saw them remain second in the Group C with 15 points and plus 3 goal difference. Their path to next year's global showpiece in the United States, Mexico, and Canada is narrow but still alive. For South Africa to qualify, they must beat Rwanda, who are already out of the contention with 11 points, and hope group leaders Benin 17 points plus 5 fall to Nigeria 14 points in Uyo. A draw between Benin and Nigeria will complicate matters further, leaving Bafana needing only a victory over Rwanda but also a 3-goal winning margin to surpass Benin on goal difference. All eyes on Mbombela, with qualification scenarios balanced on a knife edge. Broos' defensive choice could prove decisive. Whether it's composure of Khoza, the versatility of Ndamane, or the emerging confidence of Moloisane, whoever partners CPC will shoulder immense responsibility as South Africa fight to keep their World Cup dream alive. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.